Hey guys, my name's Braylon and I am part of the LadyBoss movement. I'm originally from Illinois, but I just moved to Colorado in May and I absolutely love it here. So I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit how LadyBoss has affected my life since I've started. So before LadyBoss, I used to sleep till as late as I wanted to every single day. I did a lot of binge eating, emotional eating, eating for pleasure, just shoving whatever in my mouth anytime I wanted to. And I always wanted to be fit and always wanted to be healthy, but I always quit because I just didn't like it. I never really wanted to try, and I didn't really know what was good and what was bad for me, fit and health-wise. But since I've started LadyBoss, I've actually started in January when it was still tool time. Since then, I've actually lost over 21 pounds, and that was the last time I weighed myself was back in August. So I don't know what I'm at now, but I do try to base it off of how I look and how I feel, and how my clothes fit rather than weight and measure my body fat. Now I wake up in the mornings and go to the gym before work, and I could never imagine not doing that anymore because it gives me so much energy throughout the day and prepares me for my day. My favorite thing about this program is honestly Kaelin herself. Like, she does so much for this program, and her team does as well, and for everybody in it. And she really wants the best for us and wants us to get the most out of everything, so we can be happy with ourselves and be healthy. And, she gives so much, and I love it. And also the community within LadyBoss Facebook group, it's awesome. We can post and vent about anything we're struggling with, and no one's going to judge you, and we're going to always be there to motivate you. I just love it. And, no other fitness program offers like anything like this or cares this much, and I'm never looking back. So ladies, if you really want to lose that weight and get into shape and be healthy, this is really the program. Yeah.